services we provide for our residents. Breaking down the cost to households per week, it equates to just £5.27. That's £3.35 on waste, 9 pence on country parks and 6 pence on winter gritting. I believe that we continue to demonstrate good value of core services. I think it's a real accomplishment to be achieving these figures during times when funding to local government continues to be slashed. It would be easy for people to focus on the negative instead of the positive, and while important to fully assess the Directorate in this report and the presentation, you must agree how remarkable it is that we continue to grow, develop, work more effectively, make huge savings and still provide award-winning services. I want to particularly highlight the level of street cleanliness in the borough, a real success for the team. The figures in 2008-9 had us amongst the worst performers in the country on this indicator. Since then, routes have been redesigned and new street sweeping equipment introduced. The teams have also received training on what standards are expected using cleanliness measurement tools. The results are that the level of street cleanliness achieved in Thurrock is better than the national figures available for Keep Britain Tidy. The context in which the improvements have been made is important. Over the time, standards of the service have been improving. The cost per household of the service has been consistently one of the cheapest in our statistical comparator group, and year on year, increases in cost have remained below inflation. The changes to the waste service was one of the biggest in the Directorate, and sadly, its rollout did not go as smoothly as expected. However, I'm happy to say that the service is now back on track. Further initiatives to reduce missed bins and enhance the stability of collections are being implemented, which will further enhance service quality over the coming months. Real success is the diversion from landfill. We achieved our 13-14 target in October, with additional capacity at Energy from Waste plant to receive further tonnage from Thurrock. This is a success story, as not only are we amongst the best performers in the eastern region, the level of waste Thurrock contributes to the national landfill problem continues to shrink significantly year on year. The apprentice programme is now in its third year, with 9 trainees currently working within the street services teams. 31 local unemployed young people have been involved in the programme in total, and 3 are now working in substantive posts as permanently recruited employees. In 2012, one of our street service apprentices was named Nordic Pioneer Apprentice of the Year. Award-winning Landon Hills and Coalhouse Fort I always love to mention. Both have a number of sites of specific scientific interest, and the pioneering work of the rangers in establishing and maintaining vital habitats for a range of rare bees and butterflies as well as wildflowers has been recognised by the granting of funding from High Level Stewardship, National England, to enable the work to continue. As you can see from the picture, the Highland cows are grazing on Landon Hills site this year and have had a number of calves which have proved a lovely attraction. We are also particularly proud of the state-of-art workshop, which was operational from February 2012. Nominated for the 2013 National Quality Award, the workshop and vehicle parts store are now fully operational with a shift pattern in place for the vehicle technicians to ensure minimal disruption to frontline services when vehicles are called for servicing or require repair. The range of items the technicians work on are huge and encompass everything from refuse collection vehicles and gritting lorries to mowers and chainsaws. We hope the workshop will provide us with an annual savings of over £100,000 in external maintenance fees, as well as the potential to raise income through work for external customers. Winter gritting is essential to this discussion at this time of year. Last year we completed a total of 76 gritting runs between October and April. This equates to 20,216 miles gritted. Testament to the team is that unlike most major shopping centres, including Bluewater, Lakeside remained fully accessible over the worst of last year's winter. It has been a challenging year, with all the departments having to deal with reduced budgets because of a reduction in funding by government. Further reductions will continue, and I do worry how these successes will be maintained under the stringent financial constraints. These pressures are all the more visible with a service which delivers to every household. However, we've done it, and I'm proud we've managed it. I'm very thankful for a team that works extremely, extremely hard for Thurrock.
I welcome this report from Councillor Holloway and would like to thank the Director and all the Environment team for the frontline services they provide all residents of Thurrock on a daily basis. I'm pleased that the opportunity was taken to rationalise the waste collection service in order to make cost savings. Would Councillor Holloway please advise members what the budgeted contingency costs were for this project, and given the acknowledgement by her that implementation was less smooth than anticipated, whether the actual costs were within budget? Thank you.
We spent a total of 150,100, and I am very confident that the waste collection service and the Environment Department as a whole will meet its budget targets.